Today I will create a menu bar with link hover animation. Here I already have a HTML page where I call Google Free Fonts pop-ins and set up margin, padding and background color. Also I create an ID content to put our menu bar in the middle of the page. Let's create a section as content. Inside, create a nav with 4 anchor items. Inside CSS, let's decorate the nav with background color, padding and border radius. Here I'm using flex to add the same gap between all anchors. And finally add a box shadow. Let's decorate the anchor by removing the underline, adding font size and text color. On hover, the nav background color will be little dim. Let's add transition on the nav. Then set the color of the anchor to white while nav in hover. Now the final and most important part, add a dark color to the anchor which does not hover. It will be represented with not pseudo function by passing hover as the parameter. Finally add transition on the anchor. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.